How to add Google Drive to files on iPhone. So if you want to add Google Drive to files on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go and install your Google Drive application on your iPhone. After installing your Google Drive, make sure that you have signed into your account. Now, after signing in, what you need to do is just go back and open up your Files application. So search for Files. Once you're on your Files, you can go with the top right, which has that three dots. And here you will have Edit option. You can tap on Edit. But before that, make sure that you're on your Browse section, which is on the bottom right. And from your Browse, you'll have this kind of interface. Once you go with your Browse, you'll have Drive option. So now you need to go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and then tap on Edit. And here, as you can see, that on your Drive, you will have a toggle button. You just need simply go and toggle the switch on for Drive. Once you turn on the switch, it will add all of your Google Drive files on your iPhone. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.